Welcome to Innera Calm. I'm Aurora Vinterdis. In the previous lessons, we explored physical relaxation, breath awareness, and stillness. Today, we begin one of the central techniques of Yoga Nidra, rotation of consciousness. The name may sound unusual at first. The practice itself is very simple. Attention moves through different parts of the body in a specific sequence. The body remains at rest, while awareness moves from one location to another. For example, attention may move to the thumb, then the index finger, then the middle finger, then the ring finger, then the little finger. The process continues through the entire body, one location at a time, one point of awareness at a time. At first, this may seem surprisingly ordinary. Many people expect advanced techniques to be complicated. Rotation of consciousness is effective because of its simplicity. During a typical day, attention rarely remains in one place for long. A thought appears, a memory appears, a notification appears, a sound captures attention. The mind continuously changes direction. Rotation of consciousness provides a clear path for awareness to follow. Instead of moving randomly, attention moves through the body in an organized sequence. This often creates a sense of stability and continuity. Another benefit is that awareness becomes more connected to direct experience. Rather than becoming absorbed in thinking, attention spends more time noticing sensations and presence within the body. As the practice develops, many people notice that mental activity begins to feel less dominant. Thoughts may still appear. The difference is that awareness has somewhere else to rest. There are a few common misunderstandings that are helpful to address before the practice begins. The first is visualization. Some people try to create a detailed mental picture of every body part. This is not necessary. The practice is based on recognition rather than visualization. When a body part is named, awareness notices it and moves on. The second misunderstanding is movement. A body part may be mentioned, but there is no need to move it. The attention moves, the body rests. The third misunderstanding is memorization. Some listeners try to remember the entire sequence. That is not part of the practice. The guide provides the sequence. Your role is to follow it. And finally, many beginners believe they have lost the practice if their attention wanders. This happens to everyone. Awareness may drift for a few moments. When you notice it, continue from wherever the sequence happens to be. Nothing needs to be restarted. In the next session, you will experience a complete beginner-friendly rotation of consciousness practice. Awareness will move through different areas of the body at a steady pace. The instructions will be simple. The rhythm will do much of the work. With time, this technique becomes one of the most reliable ways to settle attention and deepen Yoga Nidra practice. This is Aurora Vinterdis for Innera Calm. Thank you for joining me.